Hi guys, welcome to Tradewell. I am muting everyone now. So इसके बाद whenever there is a question and answer, we can start understanding or learning how things will work. So cool, guys. Welcome to Tradewell once again, and let's start the video now. 1 minute. Please, everyone, please make mute, and whenever there is a chance to talk, then only we can discuss further things. Cool. So let's start with the weekly analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty first. We'll understand how Nifty and Bank Nifty will work this week. So this is the last week levels if you observe. So last week mein kya hua? Exactly these levels market supported. So you saw this slide, and I'm in a weekly chart right now where what I'm seeing in a weekly chart here. So exactly at this point, market gave a support and resistance. And if I change to 1 day, so what exactly happened in 1 day? Let's see. In 1 day chart also from last 1 week, wherever I have given a weekly analysis like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, 5 days, 5 trading session, and exactly level to level market followed our levels. Now I will draw live what you say patterns for you so you can understand. So let me remove all the drawings first from here. Cool. So this is in now 1 day time frame Nifty. What we need to see here, first we need to understand where what exactly happening in this particular market. So let me maximize my chart where you all can see what is exactly happening. Cool. In this chart, what is happening? So here always in at this particular point, market took a support or resistance. So overall chart, I'll make one line here where I will understand what exactly happening at this particular location. Now next, in a daily time frame, what I can see, I need to create a trend line, what exactly happening here. So in this trend line, if you observe, this particular trend line is giving a support and resistance at this particular point, and from there market came down or index came down. So what is next? So what I need to do next is I need to see in a bigger time frame what exactly happening with the same trend line. So I'll take the trend line to the down, and I will try to mark the trend line at this particular location where it is giving a support or resistance. Now what is happening here? Exactly at the same trend line, it gave a breakdown. So now overall view, if you're observing, as per the trend line breakdown, is market is bearish. So what we need to do now? So that is the biggest question. So I'll remove all the drawings once again, and we'll see what is the support and resistance zone, what we are getting right now. So let me draw a support and resistance box here and understand where exactly Nifty or Bank Nifty is heading. So in this particular point, if you are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times market gave a bounce from this particular location or went a breakdown. So what we need to see, this is a major buy zone what we are looking at. Now in a smaller time frame, if I'm observing, we got one idea where exactly the market is at this particular point. So here in this particular candle, it is giving a follow-up candle. So huge volume also generated, and it is below the resistance zone, or it is already entered the resistance zone. So now what we need to do, we need to see 15-minute candle to understand what is the support and resistance for our trades on Monday or complete next week, how we are going to plan our trades. So before that, now I understood this particular point, what exactly happening here. So what I'll do, I'll go back to daily time frame, and I go back to daily time frame, and I will check what is the support and resistance is coming for my trades next week in a overall view. Let me quickly mark my levels, what exactly going to happen this next week. So based on that, I will share my levels with you guys after this discussion. Okay, everyone please mute yourself, so otherwise other people will get disturbed. So you can, so this is one, support 2, and my first resistance, what I can see is a small resistance at this particular point. It is a live chart, guys, so you can see what exactly happening tomorrow. Okay, and upside here, downside, if I'm seeing, I can see support here, second small support at this point, third small support at this particular point. In between, I can see first support is here, second support is here, third there is no particular support, maybe a small support here. So these are the range for our week. So what exactly you are seeing here, 17,660 to 18,143. So either side we can see a market momentum next week. Now, if you're going on a smaller time frame, like let me open 5 minutes time frame here, and I'll see what exactly happening in a 5-minute time. This is 5-minute chart. And if you mark these particular levels and if you trade, you can trade with these levels very easily. There is no much confusion. You can easily trade. Whenever it is giving a breakout above this point, it is for 30 to 40 point support or resistance. You can buy a CE here, book your profits here. Again, when it is crossing, you can buy a C here, book your profits. Again, buy CE, book your profits. If it is going below this level, buy a PE, book your profits. Again, when it is crossing this particular level, again buy a PE, book your profits. This is how you need to trail and you need to make money in this market. Because if you observe RSI in a 15-minute of a smaller time frame, which is 5 minutes time frame, you can see it is a oversold market and it is going down. So this is for Nifty. Second, let's see what exactly happening in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also followed all my levels, which I have given last week. So let me remove that, all the numbers now, all the drawings, and I'll give you the trade plan here. Okay, what is happening in a Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty made almost a double top here and gave a fall. Now, what is happening? It is coming for a retest level. So we consider this particular level as a retest, and it retested and went up. So observe something very carefully here. This particular point is a retest point. So every time market came to this particular level, and from there it gave a jump. Now what we need to see, we need to see support and resistance for the week, which is the first support or resistance is this particular point, upper side 1, upper side 2, and if I can see 3, if I can say 4, I don't think so. We might get this big, but yeah, there is a budget also. So we might get a big, like this green candle, one single candle, and it can fly up. Possibilities are there. And the downside, what we can see in the current situation is one is here, second exactly at the buy zone, 3, from here it's a direct 4, and from here 5, then it's a big fall. Cool. So this is basically is our support and resistance for Bank Nifty. So if I'm seeing in a 5 minutes time frame, what is exactly happening? It is giving a small resistance and support in many multiple points. So when you follow particular levels, price action is a god. When you see particular levels, you can easily make money and understand how exactly trades are going. So either only two things will happen. Either it will hit your stop loss or it will take your targets. Let's see Finance Nifty, what is happening in CNX Finance. And okay, this also followed all my levels so far, and I'll remove all the drawings. Let me see what is happening in Fin Nifty, because Fin Nifty is giving us amazing trades. Even last week from 20 rupees to 180 rupees, what we traded. So it is giving a breakout from the levels. So if I'm seeing in a bigger time frame, what exactly happening here? If I change the support or resistance, yeah, it is taking a support and it might give a bounce back from here. Let's see what is our demand or supply zone from this level. Okay, perfect. So guys, this is what is happening
Hello.
in Fin Nifty. Uh, Samir, please mute yourself. So cool. So uh, first support or resistance, what we can see here. Okay, 1 second, 2 above this is directly a very good. I think day after tomorrow, which is Tuesday, we might hit a jackpot in Finance Nifty because of the budgets. So from here, there is no further support and resistance. It's a direct ATH. Cool. And downside, what I can see in a current time frame in this particular zone, there is one more resistance, a small resistance. Then here, then here, then final what we can see in this particular zone is here. So below this, there is a big drop because of the trend line breakdown support. So this is how, guys, you need to do a analysis on your chart. Once you understand the price action, I will give you a chance to ask a question and answers in next 10 minutes. So before that, we will finish our basic topics, what all the topics we are planning to cover. One is this weekly levels, what I just completed, and second, we will understand how to understand the CPR. So now, example, you guys have seen this. I have created these lines in front of you. It's a live. Let me open my CPR indicator. What CPR is saying. So if you observe these lines and the CPR, exactly CPR and my lines are almost matching, because once you practice understanding the price action, automatically you will understand how to draw lines without CPR. See, one line is here, there is a CPR. Second line is here, there is a CPR. Third line is here, there is a CPR again. Fourth line is here, exactly on CPR. Fifth line is here, there is a CPR. So you can see even Nifty, Bank Nifty, or anything, whichever you want to see. So it's the same thing. So again, CPR, 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 CPR. So once you understand how to draw in a price action, you don't need CPR. So let me hide this drawings so you can see what exactly happening in a CPR. Even CPR is telling the same thing. Above targets are, let me go to 1 day candle. Beautiful. So above we have a target, highest target in a 1 day candle is 18,227, and below is 17,490. So let me see what is my levels. Cool. So my level is saying 17,660 is down and 18,143 is top. So exactly, see, I have not used CPR, but yeah, now I'm using a CPR and it is saying exactly the levels, how particular CPR is working. So what I'll do now, let me open one of the stock. So let's open the most debated stock, maybe CG Power. So let me open CG Power and I'll show you live how to make levels with CPR or without CPR. So let's open first CPR. Okay, now I click the CG Power as a stock. Now most of the people will ask me the how to understand what you say target price in particular stocks, or how to understand strikes, different strikes, how to use the strikes. So cool. In the CPR, see, I created these levels without a CPR support. So let me remove my CPR and I'll show you how this particular works. I remove the CPR. So these are the levels for me, which I shared last week in my premium group for CG Power. So CG Power, we bought around at 240 levels, around this level. So currently we are running with amazing profits of 27%, which is 68 rupees jump from our levels. Currently, whoever is bought at this particular level, like 299, 288, because I'm telling every day to buy this particular stock. So this has still potential of more 15%, which is more 44 rupees. So you can still continue to hold. Huge volume, everyday volume generating. Now, how I understood these levels. This is my price action view, because this will come with the experience. So let me remove this indicators and I'll show you only CPR, how to analyze the targets. Now you have this 1 day big candle and above that there are 2 dots. If you observe, these two dots are your immediate targets. Your first target is 313, second target is 321. If there is a good volume, if this particular stock is in my stock selection scanner, then 100% these targets will hit. This is how you need to understand how to use the CPR very profitably and fruitfully to get more out of it. Next, how to select the strike price? That is the biggest question where everybody has this question. How to select a strike price? And okay, we have more 15 minutes because it's a 30-minute session. Now, I'll remove my CPR and let's see. I'll open in 15 minutes candle. What is exactly happening in 15 minutes with Nifty index? Cool. So this is a Nifty index. How you will understand the strike price? Now, the biggest question is here. This particular zone is called as a ATM, which is at the money. Currently, market is traveling at this particular range, which is called as at the money. So guys, whoever is joining, please use your real name because a lot of other names are coming and we will get confused who joined. Cool. So this is called as at the money because market is running at this particular location, which is currently 17,952. From here, if particular strike is going up, always below price is called as in the money because market is going upside. When it is going upside, whatever is coming below that, that is called in the money. So you can buy 17,900 CE, 17,800 CE, 17,700 CE. The more you go in the money, deep in the money, the premium will be higher. What is out of the money? Wherever market is going in a direction, whenever you are seeing a direction, that single direction is called as out of the money. So you, if you're real confident that from 17,962, if market is, if index is going to 18,200, if you have a confidence, you can buy 1800 CE, 18,200 CE. And if your levels are working, then 100% you will make profits in that particular strike price. That is one thing. Second, how to choose a strike price when it comes in a live market. In a live market, what exactly happens in a strike price? What you need to see, you need to see OI, which is option chain. Next class, next week, mostly I will teach you how to do OI. I have already sent a video link to my premium team that you can check. And in a free group also, I will send the link once the link is ready because that particular video is uploading. So you need to understand what is OI, what is the option chain analysis or option interest analysis. Here, whenever there is a more puts, means market will go up. Whenever there is a more calls, means market will come down. It is like put writers and call writers data, which you need to understand what is a PCR report, which is put call ratio report. Once you understand this, you can easily trigger or tackle the particular strike price and you can make money. So for today, guys, these are the three topics, and now it is time for question and answer. So if you have any doubts, anything, we will discuss and we will understand what is going to happen here. And I will try my best to answer your queries. One by one, please start asking your questions so it is easy for me to answer your all the questions. Yeah, good. We have 11 participants. You can unmute yourself and ask questions. If you want to know about any stock, if you want to know how to trade or how to trail, so you can ask me. I'll try to help you. No questions means everything is set. How to add trend lines? I just started the video with the trend lines, Bopaya. So what we will do? Anyways, this is I have mostly this particular. Okay, it is a recording. I have given a recording, so it is already recording. I'll send the recording. So for your information, I'll just show you once in a daily time frame what exactly going to happen here. Okay, this is in a daily time frame what we are looking at, and if we are seeing what exactly happening, okay, let me open a future chart. Otherwise, these charts will go up, go down. Okay. Now this is Nifty index future. So there is no, we need to understand in a bigger time frame, which is basically 1 day time frame, what exactly happening here. Once you understood market is giving like this momentum, what is a trend line? Where we are seeing a trend line? For me, I am seeing a trend line here. Why? Because in this particular zone, market is taking a support or resistance every time, and from here it is giving a bound. So to make more precise, I will draw it very neatly to understand. So this is exactly the trend line for Nifty futures, where exactly at this particular point, Nifty took a support, went up, and again took a support, again went up, again now took a support and is going up. So till where it might go? Again a price action. So in this particular zone, 1 minute, guys, I'm looking for my tool. Okay, in this particular zone, if you're observing, this is the zone where market always gave a trouble. So here, what exactly happening in this zone? 1 here, 2 here, 3 again. This was the recovery, again recovery, again struggling at this particular point. So we might see upside or we might see downside. If it is upside, till where it is upside? That is the biggest another question. So what we need to see, we need to understand upside means maybe this place, because last time this was a support and resistance. If more upside means maybe next level. So this is how you make your levels. If it is going down, till where, if it is breaking this particular trend line, it might go till where this is a support or resistance last time. If it is falling more till where, here maybe. If it is more falling, the last support is somewhere here, because in the longer time frame, market took a support or resistance at this particular point only. So this will get by automatically after some time. Once you get practiced with this, then only you will understand this. Otherwise, it is little difficult, or you need a lot of practice. So that only I can see. Okay, being a beginner, how to take your option call and how to overcome fear of losses. Okay, so being a beginner, first of all, you need to start understanding how option works. So when you know how that works, then you can take a call. If I'm giving a call at 18, if particular market is exactly at 18,000 and you're seeing the price action, what exactly happening, you need to understand whether market is going up or down. Stop loss, which is 25 rupees for Nifty, 40 rupees for Bank Nifty. That is must. If you're a beginner, whenever I'm giving a call, as a beginner, you buy only one lot and start trailing that one particular lot and make your quick profits only. If you are making 500 rupees profit, that is more than enough, because there are some students who send me every day screenshot only for 500 rupees. Someday 300, 400, 500, not more than 500, because I told them very clearly, 1 month, every day, you need to make only 500 rupees. They have capital, they know how to trade equity, they are seniors, but yeah, they are following this particular rule. Only you will get success in options when you follow rule-based trading. When you can make 500 per day, you can make 5 lakhs per day. When you know how to handle 500 rupees, it is very easy for you to handle 5 lakh rupees. So when you are a beginner, please start with making only 500 and start making consistent profit of 500 rupees and ensure next 30 days you will make 500. What if there is a loss? If there is a loss, is loss, because you have to be ready to accept both the sides of the market. Whether it is loss, it's a loss. Whether it's a profit, it's a profit. Loss is always limited. In the beginning, profit is always limited. Once you become expert, loss is limited, profit is unlimited. Okay, Neeraj is asking NMDC view. Okay, let me show NMDC here. Everybody's behind NMDC now, because everybody has that in their portfolio or their options. Cool. How to analyze market before start of the day. That next class, Bopaya, next class I'll come with the different topics. So what is going to happen? So that time we will learn that. Okay, this is NMDC chart, which is in a 1 day time frame. Let me see what exactly happening with the trend. Trend is up. Trend is up. Market is taking support, and supply zone is here, and it is already given a break out. Above is the targets. I already made that with my. I was doing this in afternoon. Cool. So okay, meeting will end in 10 minutes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. It might hit 137 to 138 level. So if you're seeing a 3 days retail sectors are high, and NMDC, what I'm seeing here is earnings is good. They might give a dividend. Dividend yield is 11.2%, and performance is very good. Now technical says saying buy, strong buy. It is amazing stock. NMDC will give a good returns. I'm in Goa Carbon, please. Okay, Goa Carbon will go up, so don't worry. Let's see Goa Carbon quickly. Goa Carbon. See, Goa Carbon not coming, Nelson. Okay, Goa Carbon. Fin Nifty follows which stock? Fin Nifty follows finance PSU stocks or a private sector banking stocks. 5 multi-bagger stocks for 4 years to invest. 5 multi. No, this session is not multi-bagger session. So I'll come that to do next time. Okay, it is in a support zone now, Nelson. It will go up because this is the particular location where it got stuck here. It came down, and let's wait for some more time. As for me, it will hit bigger targets. I'll tell you now. Goa Carbon targets, beautiful targets are ahead. You can hold till 777. You can hold if you have big money stuck. It is a good money. Hold till this particular level. Maybe time frame is more 1 month, because if I'm seeing a monthly candle, it is very near here. Monthly candle, it will go up. Well, last time from this particular zone, when it gave a breakout from the monthly candle, it gave around returns of 80% returns, which it went 549 levels and came down. So you can hold. It might fly from this particular zone. Hold tight. ऑप्शन चेन के बारे में बताओ ना, नेक्स्ट क्लास में अच्छे से समझाना, पर भी शॉर्ट. अरे समझ में नहीं है. ओके, शॉर्ट में बताओ. ऑप्शन चेन नहीं, शॉर्ट में नहीं बता सकता हूँ, बिकॉज ऑप्शन चेन इज अ बिग सब्जेक्ट. You need to understand lot of things there, otherwise it is very difficult. आधा आधा मत सीखो, पूरा सिखाऊंगा, perfectly सिखाऊंगा, which is better to understand. So I will send a small voice note after this call in Telegram group. मैं explain करता हूँ कौन सा वेबसाइट ओपन करना है, कौन सा वेबसाइट ओपन करने के बाद क्या देखना है, which you will understand easily. Okay, somebody is asking Raymond's. अरे भाई, रेमंड होल्ड करो ना. रेमंड में जल्दी पैसा मत ले लो. रेमंड होल्ड करो, यू विल गेट गुड मनी. जा रहे हैं ना ऊपर, देखो 1 मंथ कैंडल देके सब खुश. इट इज गोइंग अप. ओके, मेरा एनालिसिस था, अभी भी बाकी है. मेरा एनालिसिस के हिसाब से और भी ऊपर जाना है. तो ये वीकली ट्रेंड, वीकली भी ऊपर जा रहे हैं. देखो कहाँ, नीचे आया ही नहीं. ओके, डेली. What assumption is put call partially based on? Okay, put call is ratio is basically on a put sellers and call sellers. Whenever there is a put sellers are more, market will go up. Whenever there is a call sellers are more, market will come down. This is applies on only in a normal days, not on expiry day, because expiry day both has to become balanced. So my target for Raymond's is 2057, which is the ultimate target. First, currently it made a double top and came down. Again, it got rejected from the bottom side, which is your supply zone. So you can hold this particular stock for a bigger targets. And it is just a retracement. Now it will go up. If I'm seeing any technicals here, volume is good, earnings is good, dividends, they are not a good dividend company. Rest good performance. 1 week may only it is down. 1 month it gave 4%, 3 months 17%, 6 months 55%, 1 year 130% return. Technicals is saying strong buy. Analysis rating is beautiful. Look at this strong buy. It means it will fly. And we can see forecast. If you click this particular button, you can see a forecast. Next question, which new, who can see a message? Okay. Which new stock according to you will be the trend next week to watch out for according to you? Now, currently, market is not in a right shape to buy range. So we will wait for the buying market. Then only we will buy the stocks. Cool, guys. Next 4 minutes, 20 seconds. This particular training will close. And if anybody have any other questions, you can send me in a Telegram channel. Nice to see good crowd is today on this training. And anytime, whatever the discussion you need to do or ask, you can always ask in make me host. I'm a premium, but I don't have time, boss. I'm also premium member. But yeah. Yes, Amir. Please unmute and ask fast.
हेलो सर, गुड इवनिंग।
गुड इवनिंग। जल्दी 3 मिनट है।
हाँ सर, मुझे ये पूछना था कि हमने जो स्टॉक सिलेक्ट किया,
हाँ,
मतलब उसका ऑप्शन कब लेना चाहिए और कैश में कब लेना चाहिए?
ओके, ऑप्शन आपने अभी स्टॉक सिलेक्ट किया, आपके पास स्टॉक है। इफ द वॉल्यूम इज मोर देन 25 lakhs,
ओके,
इफ दैट स्टॉक इज इन F&O,
ओके,
okay, buy in the money. Like example, अभी NMDC,
ओके,
अभी मैं NMDC ओपन करूंगा, लेट्स सी। सो NMDC इधर 131 में है, उससे पहले था 128 में था, करेक्ट। हमने बाई किया 130 CE एंड हमने पैसा बनाया। अभी ये 130 क्रॉस हो गया, सो हमने क्या किया, 132 CE बाई किया, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग अपसाइड। So in the money call ले लो option, you can buy and you can make quick profits according to the levels.
ओके सर,
Yeah,
थैंक यू।
thank you. Cool, guys. Thank you so much. This is recorded. So what I'll do once this is over, I'll send you the recording. If any questions are still pending, you can please text in Telegram channel. Please add more people in Telegram channel. Let's make this community bigger, and we can help so many new comers to the market. Cool, guys. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Let's wind up. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.